Hello everyone, my name is Jong-hoon Lee. I am the Dean of the Graduate School of International Studies. I'm also Professor of International Relations with a focus on international relations in general in a broader sense, but with special reference to US foreign policy, Korea-Japan relations, East Asian affairs. I'd like to welcome you all to our orientation. I hope you all make the right decision to further your career. And I think the GSIS can offer you for the 2 years that you're here that could advance your career and be able to allow you to fulfill your dreams. So please listen to all our instructions and orientation, and I hope you make the decision to come here and that we'll all be able to see you next year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Seok Han. I'm teaching Chinese studies, and I'm teaching Chinese foreign policy, Chinese security studies, and everything about China. So if you have any career plan for the future about China, just let me know. And I believe that GSIS is one of the best place for you to build up your own career plan for the future. So please choose GSIS, and then I will just be with you anytime if you come to GSI. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I welcome all of you to the Yonsei GSIS. My name is Professor Hyuk-Rae Kim in Korean Studies and teaching currently 3 different courses. One is the required course, Research Methods, and the other 2 courses are in Korean Studies. One is on NGOs and Development and Korean Society and Culture. Again, thank you so much for being with us today.
Hi, my name is Jong-min Mo. I teach 4 courses at the GSIS, mostly on political economy. My main course is International Political Economy, and I've been here for 25 years, and every time I'm happy to see new class, and hopefully you will join us next spring. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to Yonsei GSIS. I'm Professor Juno Han, who is the Chair of International Trade, Finance, and Management. I'm teaching Introduction to International Economics and International Money and Capital Markets and Financial Institutions. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon in the spring semester at Yonsei. Bye-bye.
Hello, welcome to Yonsei GSIS. My name is Lee Jung-yeon, and I teach International Trade and International Finance. Hope to see you next semester.
Well, hello, my name is John Delury. I'm a professor here at GSIS. I teach US-China relations. I'm a historian of modern China, and I also study contemporary affairs involving the US-China as well as the 2 Koreas. I want to say hello. I wish we could do this in person, but we're very excited about the interest in GSIS, and I personally hope very much to see each of you here in the new year.
Hello everyone. Anyone interested in Korean political economy, Yonsei GSIS is the best place for you. I am Professor Sang Young-yu. I am ready to discuss openly diverse theoretical and practical issues happening in Korea and East Asia. Here we can explore together to satisfy your intellectual curiosity and, more importantly, enhance your professional skills. Welcome, and I hope to see you all next semester.
Hi, welcome to GSIS. Hope you come. My name is Yonsei. I teach Japanese politics and foreign policy and international relations of East Asia. Please come.
Welcome to Yonsei GSIS. My name is Jongbom Kim. I am Professor of International Trade Law. I teach International Trade Law, Law and Development, and Understanding of Free Trade Agreement. I hope to see you all in class, on campus next semester. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to GSIS. I'm a Professor Tae-Yong Jung, who is teaching sustainable development, energy, climate change, and so on. And I hope that you guys enjoy staying here in GSIS. Thank you.